Welcome back to my channel. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you have a locked pie, in this video I'll be talking about how you can move it to a transferable balance with ease. Of course, this is a pie account I opened like 35 days ago. I mined for 30 days, did my KYC. After doing my KYC, then my pie was migrated. It's a new account, so I'll be using this as practical. Alright, so all you need to do is to check first if your pie has been migrated. So check if your pie has been migrated. Now, all you need to do is to click on view it on wallet. Okay, so it will take you down to pie browser. But let me just go to pie browser directly. Alright, so once you go to your Pi browser, click on wallet, then login. Login, for me I'll be making use of my fingerprint, but if you did not set your fingerprint, you can decide to log in with your 24 words passphrase. Alright, so I've been able to log in successfully here. Alright, so you are going to see that this is it. I have 7.30 pi here, but it's not showing on the available balance. And this available balance is the transferable balance. That's what you can transfer to people. Alright, so you can see it here. This is on my history. This one is still locked. This one has been unlocked, and so on. So all you need to do here is to go to migrations. So if you check on migration here, you will see that this one has been unlocked. This sign it shows here, it shows that it has been unlocked. So how do you move it to your transferable balance for it to be showing on your available balance here? All you need to do is to click on move. It gives more information. Then click on confirm. Still loading. Okay, so this one is successful. I've been able to move this one to my available balance. You will see it's going to reflect here now. You can see it's reflecting here, this 4.48 pi. So it has been moved successfully. Then let's check the other one. Let's check this one. This is 1.8. Okay, this one is pending. This one will be unlocked by, that was 11th 2025 011. Okay, it will be locked till 20, that's 25, that's 2025 0725. Okay, so now the next thing you have to do here is to come to lockup. Now this one, click on move. So this one, remember it has been unlocked. So now all you need to do is click on, if you want to relock it with the same setting, you can relock it, because I locked this for 2 weeks. So but if you do not want to relock it, just click on move to available balance, and watch it is going to be moved to your available balance. Let's hold on. So it's successful too. You can see it's successful. I've been able to move it too. Let's go back to, you can see this is 6.291. Okay, so I have, this has been moved already. I think, if I'm not mistaken, yes, this one has been moved already. This one, so it's remaining this. I think this is what supports the blockchain, so it cannot be moved. So out of the 7.28, I'm having 6.29 that has been moved. So with this 6.29, I can transfer it now to someone, or transfer it to an exchange, and it will go successfully. So for me to transfer, all I need to do is to click on pay or request. Then I will manually add wallet address. This is where I'm going to add it. Then put on the wallet address here. Type in how many pie you want it to be sent. Okay, for instance, if I want to send 5 pie here, then you don't need memo. Then click on send, and that's all. This all on how you can move your locked pie to transferable balance. Thank you for supporting this channel. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe before you go. And if you have any questions to ask, kindly drop it on the comment section, or join my WhatsApp community or Telegram channel to ask your question, and I will attend to you. Also, my number is there. Rather, you can also message me for more questions. Thank you.